Welcome to Beginner's Guide. This is the first episode of Beginner's Guide where we help you achieve something the easiest way possible. So I am Kang Dupet and I'm currently here with Mickee Lacerna of Madmodz PC, and today we'll be talking about modding because we will be modding this case. So before anything else, we will build this PC first. And we're gonna use AsRock Z390 Taichi, Galax RTX 2080 Ti Hall of Fame, Intel Core i9-9900K, ID Cooling Pinkflow 240 AIO, ID Cooling ZF12025 Fans, Team Group Tforce Delta R 250GB SSD, Team Group Tforce Delta R 2x8GB RAM, ThermalTake Toughpower PF1 ARGB 850W, TTEsports Sleeved cable pink and black, and of course Tecware Nexus C white. Aside from the equipment, everything, the components, what else do we need when we do this DIY modding?
So yes, we will build this together. All the parts are here and a few modding. So it will be personalized for Kang. And we're gonna follow the color theme, pink, white, and a bit of gray. Yeah, some black too. For tools, as of now, we don't need anything aside from a screwdriver, maybe some zip ties for cable management, thermal paste for the processor. For the modding, we're gonna use acrylic for that, and to give it the colors, we're gonna use spray paint. Rattle cans.
Yes,
right?
the one you buy in the hardware store.
The hardware store. Since this is a beginner's guide, we'll keep it simple. We'll use materials that you can easily access or you can easily buy from a bookstore, hardware. Sa tingin ko, umpisahan muna natin sa pag-build ng actual computer.
Yes, let's build this now. Okay, so I'm done installing the RAM and the processor and the M.2. Always remember this thing. This is the most important thing because if you put everything and you don't have this, you need to remove everything out. I hate that part. I'm scared to break something.
See, it just pops in like that. We've mounted the motherboard.
Go to the camera.
In the case. Right.
Next.
So the plan is to mount the radiator on the front. Right? The tubes should be up top.
Okay, so like this.
Yep.
Okay, let's do this. It's easy to remove this. Look. Oh, see?
Yeah.
There. All good.
Nice.
All good. Oh, it's nice that you can see the fan inside. Next. Where's the thermal paste? We done installing the AIO.
Have you tried using one of these?
No, that's the first time I'll be using that.
Wires.
I hate wires. I don't have my eyeglasses. That's why he's doing that thing. Phew.
Massive.
Graphics card. We're done.
Amazing.
Yes. Phew.
Amazing
Amazing.
cables. The price that you pay for RGB.
There you go. We're not yet starting the modding part.
So,
let's try if it works. Ready?
go.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm sorry. One more. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! Now everything works. We're gonna mod this first. Just a simple mod for starters like me. for beginners like me. So, let's do it now. Okay, so since we're done with the build now, we're gonna start with the mod.
The plan is to give this empty space right here and at the front with a touch of the colors that's in the case itself or on the parts, which are pink, white. Now to do that, we're gonna use a piece of acrylic, and we use this all the time, especially here in the Philippines, because first, this is easily accessible. This one is at 3mm thick. To paint this, we're gonna use spray tan. You don't need to use primer to get this painted. I know you've done your fair share of DIY with your costumes. This is very easy to cut as well. Can use this cutter.
Where they can get that cutter?
The same place where you can buy this
acrylic.
The name of the store is on the Manila Acrylic Center. We're not in any way related to them. It's just that
But can you use
happen to buy there.
a normal cutter for that?
The ones that you can buy in the bookstore, they do have that. Or you can get something like this in a hardware store. Then piece of ruler. If it's metallic, it'll be better. So maybe 3 or 4 passes, then you don't need the ruler anymore because there's a line already, as you can see. But wait, you can't snap it yet.
Okay.
Because this is too shallow. So you need a few more passes. You can like hold it like right here, then snap it.
Here?
Yep.
And snap it?
Yep. See?
Wow!
Like
that's
saltine
easy.
crackers. You can snap it off like that.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna do here in my build.
Right. Let's say you've got this painted already, so you could put it there and put some panels. Add a little more character to your already awesome build.
Already
And,
awesome.
That's how you do it the simple way with tools that you can easily access. But for this build, we're going to continue this using 60-watt laser cutter because I don't do manual anymore because I used to do it from the start because I do like 1 build a month, but these days it's just crazy, so I had to find a way on how I can do things faster. So we're gonna use a laser cutter to continue on with this, but yeah, you guys can try this out. It's really interesting. It's easy to
Actually,
do.
I want to try it.
Just bear in mind that the smaller this gets, the harder it is to snap it into pieces. Plus, this is the best way for you to get straight cuts. If you want to do like patterns, then you're gonna need a special power tool for that. For starters, this really is the best way to like manipulate acrylic. Let's say this is the exact size of an SSD, then you can use it as an SSD cover, or you can also use it to make GPU backplate or power supply covers, side panels, a lot more. I think that's enough.
You sure?
Yep, I think so. Yep. No. Ah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Man,
Still got it.
perfect.
As I said earlier, it gets really hard to snap them into pieces the smaller they get. So, that's it. Now, let's go on with the plan.
Actually, we need a lot of squares here in the build.
Some kind of like a Tetris patterns.
Yeah, I told you it's for starters, just squares
Right.
everywhere. Ta-da! We're done! Okay, so we're done placing all the acrylics there. As you can see, it's really me. This is just for me, perfect for me. It's so minimalist and colorful, like soft colorful, because there's pink and gray and white and everything else that I love. So that's all. I hope you learned something today. You're gonna say something? Last words?
Well, yes, I think that's yeah, it is a wrap for this build. And I'd like to thank Kang for coming over and you know, working together with this build. It was a whole new experience because I used to do everything here on my own. So it's a pleasure to have shared the knowledge of modding to you. I hope your followers they might be interested in it. They can follow the Pinoy PC modding scene. It's not just me. There are other guys like Mike Samson of Tantric Mods, Jesse Palacio, JP Modified, Samka, also Mark Van Acosta of the Classified Systems, Popoy Ramdo, a lot of other guys who are really good at doing this. So I think we were able to achieve the simple but very relaxing look. Like this build, gives you a happy vibe.
Yeah.
That's what I'm getting from it.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, very pleased to have done this with you. So thank you for sticking by.
And yeah, you can do a lot of things with just simple shapes. See, it's all squares, but you can do a lot of things because of that. So I hope you can mod your own PC. So if you did, you can share it here in the comment section below. And that's it. Thank you so much. I'm Kang Dupet and
I'm Mickee of Madmodz.
And that's all. Thank you so much for watching our first episode. Bye!
Peace.